everybody. I just wanted to give you a little glimpse into my office where I do nails, so you could see. I've been fixing it up for a while, and it's actually getting where I want it to be. And this is a manicure table. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff on there. This is Sophia, my assistant. And she displays the nails. That one there. I got tools all through there. Of course, I have a nail card right there. I have acrylics, polygels here, regular nail polish there. I have many different brands. Mayjam. Just so you have an idea what my office looks like. So whether I'm just doing nail art, or polygels, or acrylic, or anything along those lines, I pretty much have it here now. But just so you get a little heads up here. And I have a pretty little mister. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like mist coming out of it. This is where I work, and of course we have the puppy blanket down there. So I just want to say thanks for hanging out with me, and I'm glad I got to share this with you. And I'll see you on the next video.